What is up, guys? This is David from Automotive Custom Lighting, and today we're going to show you how to install the SL runners on the Chevy Tahoe. Tools needed: oscillating saw, power drill, plastic pry tool, ratchet, 13mm socket, 10mm wrench, Sharpie, drill bit, and razor blades. Remove 8 13mm bolts from each of the side steps. Using a plastic pry tool, go ahead and remove the painted trim cover. Center the SL runner, then mark each end with a Sharpie. Using the oscillating saw, go ahead and cut the side step for the lights. Remove the cut plastic skin from the side step. Test fit the light. Additional trimming may be required. Using a razor blade, go ahead and clean up the cut edges. Drill 3 holes centered in the channel to mount the lights. The 4th hole should be drilled about 2 inches from the end of the light bar to allow clearance for the wiring. The last hole is for the wiring. We highly recommend drilling it from the bottom up, unlike how we did it in this video. With the light bar held in position, go ahead and mark the 3 holes on the light bar that you previously drilled on the side steps. These marks will be used to align the bolts to the drilled holes on the side step. Replace the mounting hardware that comes with the kit with the M6 1-inch long hex head bolts. Two washers and a nut is needed on the back threads of the bolt to create a spacer. The total spacing you need is 0.346 inches. That will bring the light bar out just flush with the edge of the side steps. Align the bolts to the markings and slightly tighten them up. Slide the wiring in the outermost hole. If everything was done correctly, the 3 bolts should line up with the 3 holes that was previously drilled in the side step. It may take some slight adjustments to get everything to properly line up. After you have flipped over the side step, go ahead and install the 3 nuts on the back of the bolts sticking through the side step. As you tighten the bolts down, you'll notice that the light bar starts to fit a lot better. Drill a bunch of drain holes to help prevent water buildup in the side steps. Mark the end caps to fill the space between where the light bar was and where that painted trim piece is. Now you may not always cut these right the first time, so what I would recommend doing is cutting them a little bit long, checking the fitment, and then coming back and trimming out small amounts until you get them to fit perfect. Reinstall the side steps. This now completes the installation of the SL runners from SoundOFF Signal.